back to Montserrat. So today at Sunday evening, I'm kind of hungry. So let's make a snack. So I think my mom is making Panni Poori over in my kitchen. So let's go see. Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm going to make Panni Poori.
Can I also help?
Sure, double it.
Yay!
Will you help me?
Yes. So now show me what you have, mommy.
What is this?
What is this?
Long puris are coming like this. Okay?
Ooh.
You can fry it in the oil. Hot oil. You put like this. Okay? Let me show the magic. Can you see the puri popping out?
Wow, mommy, this is so new.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like
This
looks tasty.
You have to fry all the puris. You guess what I am doing, Achu?
Yeah, Pani Poori.
Yes. So we need puris,
Okay.
onions.
Hmm?
This is tomato to keep it inside the puri.
Okay.
You know how I prepare this?
No.
No guess?
I think potato,
Yeah.
coriander,
Yeah.
chili powder.
Yeah. Dry mango powder.
Oh, you have dry mango powder.
Yeah. Then I add little bit of rock salt, chaat masala, and then I smash it very nicely. Or little bit of lime if you like.
Okay.
Then we have to prepare the pani.
Ooh,
What is pani?
I think it's a spicy juice.
Yeah, spicy juice made with mint leaves, coriander leaves. I add little bit of dates, dried red chilies. That's it. Then we grind it. Then add little bit of water and filter it.
Okay.
In this also you have to add salt and rock salt and a little bit of chaat masala. This is the pani. This is the stuffing. Now we have to do all the puris. This is not enough.
Ooh, so many pooris. What are you doing, mommy?
I'm going to stuff the pani puri, Achu.
Oh,
Just make a hole.
okay.
Put little bit of potatoes inside. You like onions?
Maybe. You can add a little bit.
Okay. Then you add pani.
The pani seems a little bit spicy.
Want sugar?
I think
If you
spicy
want,
is my
you
taste.
can add jaggery to the
I
pani.
want to taste my evening snack.
Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
It's so tasty. Obviously, it's a bit spicy, but I like it.